Hi, and welcome to Office Furniture Loft. My name is John. Today we're going to go over the Arturo High Back Executive Chair by Glue. This chair is available in genuine leather and also Luxide upholstery. Let's go over the features today. This mechanism right here is our pneumatic up and down. This allows the seat height adjustment. The second mechanism in the back allows for the lock. Right now we're in a fixed position. If we lift the lever up, this allows us to recline back and forth. Leave it in the upright position to keep reclining, or lean back wherever you would like to sit in at, and set your lever back down to lock in that tilt back position. To get out of that position, lift the lever up, press back down, and you're at your normal seat.